I'm good. I'm good. Nice to hear from you, man. Yeah, I was in Japan. Let me show you just something I got from there. Oh, if you want to go, if you want to go, I recommend you go, my dude. It is an amazing trip. And look at all the goodies I brought back. Yeah, I got all these model kits. Yeah, my dude. I mean, no, they're mine. So one of the things I wanted to do while out there was get a whole bunch of model kits because they're way cheaper there. For instance, I paid 60 for this one, the Dynamis, here in Puerto Rico. In Japan, it's like 40 bucks. You know, it's like crazy expensive here. Yeah, we could do that. We could do that. I have a couple of paints and stuff right here. I got the airbrush. So I've been itching to do some modifications and stuff. For instance, I built Kshatriya. I built this one, and since it's a high grade, it's not super detailed, and I want to heavily modify it to look really cool. So this is a build. It's already built. I want to modify that one, and we'll do some custom paint jobs and stuff. And the wife is calling for some reason. Oh, she got out early today. So she's gonna go to dentist appointment and then come back here. But this is my backlog of stuff. I've built the RX-78 F00 from the Yokohama exhibition. I have just the bust because the box for the full unit was too big. Oh, okay. So that's something you guys want to see. Well, I can make it happen. I mean, I believe the Spencer, did you see the model kits I did build? I don't know if you were here. It's fun and tedious. Okay, sure, I'll let you know. Okay, well, I was in a Gunpla building tournament last Saturday. Yeah, it was last Saturday. And I won third place on the out of box